Hello guys, so I just got me another one, a replacement. This is a 2020-5. The other one that I had is 2020-4. Anyway guys, I just got the combo, and the reason why I got the combo is the fact that it comes with an indie filter. I mean, you don't really see that on a drone nowadays, you know. Well, this one right here comes with indie filters, extra batteries. I mean, for $100, what more, you can get 2 extra battery in a bag. So this Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo, I mean, everything that you get is just, you know, like the quality and everything. I mean, the texture of it is my impression. Again, with this one, it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and see if this Mavic Air 2 can perform just like the Mavic 2s in low light environment. Do not try this at home, guys. I'm just testing it out. It's my first flight with this Mavic Air 2. We're gonna go ahead and see how this low light in environment. So I have the light on the bottom, and you can actually control it. That's a good thing. All right, got it up. You're gonna go ahead and see if you can. And then if you want to, all right. And then we're gonna go ahead, use the app. All right, you guys can see. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn off the light. You can stay in one area. Turn it off. It's still not drifting. Look at that. Woohoo! Wow. So it did. You guys saw that? I'm gonna go ahead and do it again over here. I mean, it's dark in this room. Now if you put it back, the light on, the bottom light shuts off. Front obstacle avoidance. Alright, in the rear. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off again. Low light environment. Woo. Pretty awesome. And we're gonna go ahead and go. Got the light on. Stay in one area. Go ahead and turn it off. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it off. Let's see. It stays in one area. Let's land. So now we're gonna go ahead and land. Interesting. See? Fly like a Mavic Pro 2.